Hey, welcome back to my new video, guys. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath FX YouTube channel, and if you're first time to this channel, hit down the subscribe down below and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And if you like the video, give it a like. And this is the Pixel 3a port beta 4.1 Android 12, as you can see, with 5th security patch and 1st May 2021 Google Play system update. And this is the kernel used in this ROM, Tone Dev Plus kernel, and this is the latest build. And if you press to this Android 12, and you need to dial up to 12 PM or even AM also, as you can see. Then you will pop out this Android 12 logo. If you like it, give it a like to this video also. We'll be also getting motivated to make similar kind of videos. And recently I already made of this kind of ROM in Pixel 5 port, and there's a Pixel 3a port. It's almost equal. Let's see, because this Snapdragon 670 processor in Pixel 3 and this is 675. Let's see in this ROM what are the features and what are the changelogs. And if you already know this, you won't get this kind of wobbling effect even while charging. Those things are skipped here, I guess, because of this Pixel 3a compared to Pixel 5. Those features are kept for flagship smartphones like Pixel 5a ported ROM. Here is the card. If you did not seen the video, do check out that video. That was having a little bit extra features compared to this ROM, but anyhow the overall Android 12 version is same. As you can see, the fingerprint unlock is also working fine, and this is the lock screen you get, and here you get that thick edge of unlocking the smartphone. And if you go into the wallpapers and style settings, here also I'm missing such wallpapers. Those were there in the earlier port what I have mentioned. That is the thing missing in this ROM. And coming to like here basic colors, those things are there. Even dark theme, themed icons, app grid, those are there. The only thing is such wallpapers are missing in this ROM. And coming to like dialer, many people ask about this. The direct video call feature is available, which is really good thing. In those ROMs it was not available yet, but in this ROM it's available. And even the recorder option is missing here as of now, and Wi-Fi calling is working fine. You can get like this symbol, and even with SIM also working fine. Let me show you once the speed test in my Wi-Fi connection. I have here like 100 Mbps plan. It's pulling up to 90 and 90 above. It's good. Even I'll show you with the mobile network also. And do comment down below which all the ROMs you are using as a daily driver on this Redmi Note 7 Pro and why. And as you can see, it's pulling up to 89 Mbps. And let me change it to, you need to come here and enable. It's already on. Okay, internet connection. As you can see, you get here LTE. Sometimes plus symbol is available based upon your location. The carrier aggregation is available. Now let me run again the scores. It's going to be okay, I guess. It's turned on actually. As you can see, this is the quick settings panel. If you want, you can edit these settings. You can remove here, or if you want, you can add here. Those things are there. And this is how the speed test using the mobile internet. I am using Jio. I don't get any Airtel connection here that much properly. That's why I have not opted it. But anyhow, I want to mention that I am using Jio SIM. This is the speeds I am going to get. Let me turn it off and enable the Wi-Fi. And this is how the ROM is, and you get this Geekbench scores. Let me show you. The scores are really good, considering it's a Pixel 3a port, but still you are going to get 468 single score and 1434 with this Tone Dev Plus kernel, which is really good in my opinion. The day-to-day task, everything is working fine. Even I played Battlegrounds Mobile India, which is working fine. Smooth and Ultra is pre settings you will get. Graphic settings, if you want, you can enable using GFX tool. And coming to safety status, here I'll show you. It will get passed, I guess. As you can see, it's get passed CPS profile match. You can definitely use the payment apps like Google Pay and YONO SBI, any other payment apps. It's working fine in this ROM. And this is the multitasking tab. As you can see from here, you can take screenshot, select also is there. You can actually select and copy, share. Those things are there in this ROM. As you can see, you can copy, share by, even you can send to WhatsApp or Telegram, or even you can present in the keep notes. Those things are available in this ROM. Let me straight away move into, like, as you can see, the MyJio, WhatsApp, everything is working fine. And the settings, you get this kind of apps here. You need to see all the apps here. As you can see, you can change from here. Default apps also you can change. Assistant, screen time, unused apps, special app access, all the things can be set from here. And notifications, you can directly turn off the notification from here. For example, Google, you can turn off notification directly. I'm just saying the example. You can use for any, for example, Telegram. I don't want to see the notifications, I have turned off. And let me show you most recent all apps. You can go into all apps, and in the WhatsApp, let me show you one thing. Chat bubbles, those things are also given in this ROM. It's working fine, no problem in this ROM. It's good, but only one thing I want to show you. Let me install some gallery app. Google Go Gallery. Later I will show you what's that problem. It's not a problem, but it reminds you. And this pill is smaller. You don't get any settings to increase this pill. But when you swipe from, for example, when you're in this app, you can swipe here. It's no problem. It's working fine, but it's smaller. If we get bigger or we can adjust, it would be better. And actually the gallery calendar, you get Google Calendar app, and I have installed this gallery application. Okay. And as you can see, this is what, when you reboot your smartphone or when you flash first time, you get this kind of message, but it's not going to be harm your device or anything like that. It is fine, no problem in this ROM. The battery life is also really good in this ROM. Let me show the battery settings here. As you can see, this is the battery settings. You get battery saver, extreme battery saver also. You can choose what are the apps you need to work on the extreme battery saver options. Those things are given, and the battery life is really good. The idle battery time in internet was 3 to 4%, which is good since it's a stock. And yes, if you enable always on display, then it will be more battery than it, definitely. And this is how the Pixel 3a ported ROM on this Redmi Note 7 Pro. As you can see, the fingerprint unlock is also working well. Since it's a since it's a Pixel 3a port, I mean the Pixel Experience type, the ported ROM, we still don't get face unlock here. Smart lock is given, but still face unlock is missing. Even the app lock also missing. Those things I hope they will add in the at least Android 13 like that. And this is how the features are in this ROM. We get all the new settings, and this how you get mic access and camera access, which app you use, then the settings will be shown here. And camera application, nothing is pre-installed in the ROM. If you want, you can use any other GCam ports. Everything is working fine in this ROM. And that's all guys in this video. And do comment down below which is your daily driver ROM for a long time on this Redmi Note 7 Pro, and how is your performance, I mean your smartphone performance on that particular ROM. Do comment down below, and thank you for watching. See you with another interesting video in this channel. Do support me by subscribing to my channel, and if you like the video, give it a like. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.